Oh my God, there's more coming.
Look at this.
What is it?
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Wow.
Look, it's going up. It just disappeared into the clouds.
You got one of them right there. Okay. Follow me. Follow me in between the trees.
I guarantee there are so many people looking up and making those recordings because this mystery is one that needs to be solved.
Plasmoids. Plasmoids, as it says here, are donut or toroidal-shaped clusters of net protons or net electrons that once captured and placed into a toroidal orbit are capable of absorbing, storing, and releasing enormous amounts of energy within their self-generated and structured electromagnetic containment field. Plasmoids, in effect, function as an atomic battery that can be self-charging due to its ability to convert matter to available clean energy. So it's a lot to get into, and I think it would take us kind of off what we're here to talk about.
But
today,
at least what's promising is that there is some, at least, research or understanding.
And it's actually quite mature at this point. And in order to avoid the kinds of fate that befell Tesla and Reich, Robert Oppenheimer, Victor Schauberger, and so many others that were working in these fields, all kind of converging on this same insight. It's been conducted in secret. The laboratory that they've been developing this is in the Maldives, so that it's been immune from government interference.
What on earth are orbs? Orbs are spherical fields of energy. They have a reputation of making themselves known in either videos, photography, and many confuse orbs with dust particles, but orbs are not hollow on the inside. When zooming in on an orb, you'll notice varying, intricate, multicolored interior designs. Orbs hold consciousness. In fact, popular opinion suggests that orbs carry messages across time, space, between dimensions. It's also suggested that orbs contain the energetic harmonic signature of a spirit or a soul. Food for thought.
Here's your proof right here in this video. So what you're looking at is a drone or a plasmoid or a UAP, whatever it is, got stuck in the top of this tree. These people got it on video, and as you can see, it looks completely different when the light's shining on it or when there's not light. So this is another strange thing that's happening among many. I've recently made a friend that shot down one of these things. That video's on my page. But what in the world is going on? People are so desensitized right now, or they're brainwashed in the fact that we're seeing these things with our eyes and we're not even fazed. I mean, what type of people are we today? I remember years ago, someone did a fake alien invasion joke on the radio and it caused chaos. So now we're seeing it with our eyes and people aren't doing anything. But my question to you is, what was that? Or what is this right here in that tree?
What the is that? Another star in the sky. It ain't a star. And it's moving. Well, it's a
unknown origin, but they cut the feed. Did you see that? Once these things appear during live NASA feeds to the internet, when one of these things pop up, they immediately cut it. I thought NASA was supposed to be transparent. It doesn't seem so. Orbs, look at that. Boom, that one just fades up to the top of the screen, and then we have this one traversing, moving from right to left, and it's bright, it's organic. And then you see that one kind of dip back in. We're having a multiple event of orbs near the the ISS, and we're seeing them cut the feed, which they usually do when you start seeing the activity. It's just always that way.
You know, when things like this are happening, it seems everyone starts to look up, like my crew and I have been here in Mendham recording this video that you're looking at right now. We have no idea what it is, if it's a natural phenomenon, because it could be, but this is why so many municipalities are now asking people to reach out and send their videos to them or to experts who might be able to sort out what they're seeing in the skies. But I guarantee there are so many people looking up and making those recordings because this mystery is one that needs to be solved.
Oh, something's going up real fast. A plane? I can't tell what it is. Whoa, is that moving quick? That could be a drone. I don't know what the hell that is.
What are those? They are not moving.
What in the world is actually going on in our sky? Check this out, y'all. Wow. What is happening?
Wow. Wow.
Something is bursting. I don't know if it's taking off or getting shot down. This is just so crazy, y'all. There it is again. And now there's multiple things in the sky. Some flying this way, some flying that way.
Plane, but it just looks incredibly bright.
What the heck? Did I just record?
Okay. Not trying to freak anybody else out. I'm on the phone with my cousin who lives in Salem, Oregon. And all of a sudden she's like, what the is that in the sky? And I was like, what are you talking about? She's like, hold on, let me take a picture. I was like, what does it look like? She's like, it looks like angels. This is the video she sent me. Literally, right now above Salem, Oregon. What is that?
You got one of them right there. Okay. Follow me. Follow me in between the trees. Right there in between that branch. You got another one right there. Okay. There's another one over here in between those trees. Other one's up there. And then you got the other one. Okay. In between these trees here. Boom. Those aren't fucking stars, man. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Wow.
Full moon. Pretty trippy.
So there's a viral video going around online about one of the mysterious orbs in New Jersey possibly reacting to the name Jesus. So there's been a lot of controversy and a lot of conspiracies about what the drones and now what these orbs are in the sky. And so this woman is recording and she says the name Jesus and the orb starts to move, and it wasn't moving before. So check this out and let me know what you guys think about it.
Can you talk to me? Can you hear me? Jesus loves me.
Si la luna es esta, güey, ¿qué mierda es eso, güey?
Clear video of the drones in New York and New Jersey are starting to be released. Here is one of 3 videos I'll be posting. This thing looks like a blimp. Never seen anything like it before, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Welcome to America.
Isn't it insane that right now you could tell somebody you're missing their wedding because your flight got canceled because of a UFO, and that would be a completely acceptable thing to do?